Hey friends, today I'm going to go over my full beginner stitch kits and show you everything in them. So it's got 2 printed patterns for you with the beginner and intermediate stitch samplers. It will come with a pack of cardboard bobbins, a full 8 skeins of DMC embroidery thread. It'll come with this fun little packet, I'll show you what's inside next, and some new fibers for you to try, as well as your choice of stork scissors. And of course, my favorite screw hoop. Inside of this little packet, you'll find some stickers and needles and diamond thread. The diamond thread I suggest using with your sparkle stitch, and there will be 4 different size needles. The largest needle is a DMC chenille size 18, the middle one is a DMC broderie size 5, the smallest one is a broderie size 10, and this large plastic one is a 2.75 plastic hand needle. It also comes with this printed postcard, and each stitch will tell you what needle and how many threads to use. The patterns are printed on my favorite white fabric, and it comes with 2 layers because I always suggest stitching with 2 layers. You can begin by loosening your hoop, placing the smallest hoop underneath both of your layers of fabric and the largest one on top, and begin tightening your hoop. Make it as tight as you possibly can without damaging the screw. I suggest grabbing a screwdriver and making it drum tight. Then when you're ready, you can navigate to my YouTube page, which you already know where it's at. All of my stitch playlists are organized from easiest to hardest, so you'll know exactly where to start if you want to follow along. And of course, I'm here along the way if you have any questions that come up. Thank you so much.